Safety signs play a vital role in maintaining workplace safety. They communicate essential information about hazards, required actions, and emergency procedures, ensuring everyone is aware of potential risks. There are several types of safety signs. Prohibition signs indicate actions that are not allowed, like no smoking. Warning signs highlight potential hazards, such as danger, high voltage. Mandatory signs specify actions that must be taken, like wear safety helmet. Emergency and escape signs show locations of exits and safety equipment, such as fire exit. Fire safety signs indicate firefighting equipment locations, like fire extinguisher. Safety signs use specific colors and shapes for easy recognition. Red indicates prohibition, danger, or fire-related signs. Yellow, in a triangular shape, is for warnings. Blue, circular signs denote mandatory actions. Green, in rectangular or square shapes, marks emergency routes and safety equipment. Safety signs are crucial for clearly communicating hazards and instructions. They help reduce the risk of accidents and injuries and ensure compliance with legal requirements, such as ISO 7010 or local regulations. Proper placement and maintenance of safety signs are essential. They must be visible, unobstructed, and placed at appropriate heights. Regular inspections ensure they remain undamaged and legible, maintaining their effectiveness.